Samsung recently introduced the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5, though their availability is limited in some regions. However, discussions regarding the upcoming Galaxy S24 are already gaining traction. Recent leaks have provided details about its display and camera features. A new rumor from tipster Yogesh Brar aims to offer a more comprehensive overview of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's specifications. According to Yogesh Brar's information, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature a quad-camera setup on its rear. This setup includes a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel periscope lens camera with 10x optical zoom. It's worth noting that the 200-megapixel main camera is likely to use the same ISOCELL HP2 sensor as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and a similar sensor might be employed for the ultrawide camera. The introduction of a 50-megapixel telephoto camera represents a significant improvement over the 10-megapixel telephoto camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Reports suggest that this camera might incorporate a larger sensor, around 1 by 2.52 inches, which should contribute to notably enhanced image quality. Modest enhancements could also be expected for the 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom. On the front side, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to retain the 12-megapixel selfie camera from its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. Internally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Exynos 2400 chip in certain regions, mostly in Asia and Europe, while other regions like North America and South Korea might get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The leak suggests that Samsung's upcoming flagship will pack a 5,000 mAh battery and support 45-watt fast charging, similar to its predecessor. Additionally, the device is anticipated to bring improvements such as a brighter display and expanded memory options. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.